That's right, you heard it correctly. 100% commissions instantly paid into your bank account. What's going on, my friend Garrett here, and what I'm gonna break down is the exact affiliate program that I've been personally using, that thousands of people from all over the world with no background, no previous experience have been plugging in and using to make commissions 100% to keep all that money, as well as get it instantly deposited to your bank account. Now, if you go out there and you try to join another affiliate program, then chances are you know the incredible frustration it feels to do the work, generate that commission, generate that sale, and then have to give away sometimes up to 60, 70% of the money, right? You also probably know the frustration if you've made a sale with affiliate marketing, that you have to wait often a week, 2 weeks, even 30 days to get that money into your bank account. Again, what I'm gonna break down is how you can literally join an affiliate program and start to keep all the money that you make when you make a sale, as well as get that money deposited to your bank account instantly. Not in a week, not in 30 days, as soon as today in many cases, okay? So first off, what I wanna share with you is that I'm inside my Gmail account. This is one of the accounts that I get notified of when I make these commissions. And I'm not gonna bore you by sharing all these past results that I've gotten, but just real quick, you can see, congratulations, Garrett, you made a Vertex. Congratulations, Garrett, you made, Vertex here. Now these specifically, commissions, these range from $100 even all the way up to $2,000. Just imagine for a second, as you're listening to my voice, using the simple formula that I'm gonna share in a second on how I'm actually able to do this for free, okay, no paid advertising, how you can literally just plug in today at the link below. Now, don't rush to that link below right now though, because I do wanna share with you a little bit more information on how exactly this works. But just imagine you log onto your computer or your smartphone, you do the simple 30-minute a day formula, you refresh your Gmail or your email inbox, and you see more commissions coming in. What would that do for you? What would your life look like if you could literally just produce a $1,000 deposit instantly and get that money as soon as that day, right? Now, the cool thing about this program, which I'll share in a second, is you can get paid through PayPal, you can get paid through Stripe, which is what I use, MoneyGram. You choose, okay, so based on your country, based on what you're looking for, you can choose how you want to get paid. Now, what is this program? Now, some of you may have heard of it before. I've done videos on it before. It's called Easy ONEUP. Now, why am I still talking about this months later? The fact of the matter is, it's still just as good as it was, and it's even picking up steam. We've had top marketers partner with me to really get the word out on this business, because again, if you go out there to ClickBank or JVZoo, and I love ClickBank, I love JVZoo, but if you go to those sites, chances are you're gonna be disappointed when you start to make sales, because again, you have to wait to get that money. So if you're in dire need of money right now, if you maybe have bills, if you just want the money as fast as possible and you wanna see the money depositing into your bank account, feeling that excitement as you refresh and see it increasing every single week, then you want to pay close attention. Now, what is Easy ONEUP? Well, again, there's going to be a link directly below this video, and at any time as you're listening very closely to this video, you can find yourself eagerly going there. But again, before you do, click that link below and check that out in a second. What I want to share with you is the products are training, okay? One of the easiest ways to make sales online is to sell training. It's digital, it's instant download. You don't have to deal with inventory. You don't have to deal with trying to have a full closet full of samples, like some businesses out there that I've done in the past. This is just training. Now, what is the training? Well, each level is more and more advanced training on how to grow a successful online business. So it covers things like traffic. It covers things like how to generate leads, how to set up an email list, okay, how to follow up and make sales. So it's really a one-stop shop for everything you need. And the cool thing is you can earn while you learn. So as you invest into the different levels and upgrade, you're gonna be able to apply what you're learning as an affiliate for this business and also make back your money in sometimes 48 hours in many cases. Now, I can't promise that you're instantly going to join at the link below, see money deposit this very same day, because results may vary, and I don't know if you're willing to see this video and take action now. But if you are someone that's ready to take immediate action, then this is something you can definitely do, okay? So now that you know the business, and if you're watching this video, by the way, and you're already inside of Easy OneUp, whether you've joined me at a lower level, I invite you to upgrade, because that's really where you're gonna learn and earn the most as possible. But if you're someone that maybe joined someone else, a lot of people message me on Facebook and they say, Garrett, I wish I would have seen you before, because I can tell you're helpful. I can tell you're someone I trust. I like you. I've seen your videos. You're always giving value. How can I work with you? Well, there's going to be an email in the description below that you can actually email me personally, and I'll share with you how you can get access to my training on what I'm doing daily to make these commissions, okay? But real quick, like I promised, I'm going to share with you a very simple strategy. So once you do partner with me at the link below today, I'm going to share with you what you can do to start making your first commissions as soon as this week, okay? So when you get started below, you're going to be able to join our Facebook community. Now, Easy OneUp Company is the name of the Facebook group. As you can maybe see right here, there's over 5,000 members, okay, of people just like you and me. Many have never done anything like this before. They were coachable, they were willing to learn, and they decided to get it started and started seeing absolutely incredible results. But again, I don't want to just hit you over the head with all these incredible success stories. You can check them out for yourself. But all you have to do is go to photos, okay? Go to photos, and I've personally done this, and I'm going to share with you in a second me getting results with this, okay? You go to photos, and then once you're in photos, you can go through each photo until you find someone sharing a result. Now, again, there's endless results in our group because people are absolutely crushing it, getting tons of results every single day. So let's say I found this one, okay, out of the many, many results people are getting. Well, this person, okay, posted that they made $1,000, and again, that's instantly paid. $1,000 right here, right? Now, he said, got my first $1,000 commission using only organic traffic, etc., right? So what would I do? All I would do is I would use this snipping tool, okay, which everyone usually has on their computer or smartphone. You can screenshot. You just snip it, okay? Very simple, very easy. All you do is go to your Facebook profile and you post that picture. Now, this is a post I did a while ago of the a post in the group of someone getting results. Okay, George, you can see that he made $1,100. Another guy, he was spending the day with his granddaughter, but he applied our proven formula that, again, you'll be able to find out more information as you find yourself clicking the link below. And if you have, I'll share this in a second. So as you can see, I did this, okay? Kind of gave a little text about what he said. Put my link there. Now this is my affiliate link to Easy OneUp. And as you can see, I also got some people saying info, okay? Info, please, info. What did I do? I just messaged these people information on Easy OneUp, okay? And many of those people went through and they decided to upgrade at a high level, and that's how I was able to generate, these sales, right? This is just one strategy on Facebook. There's Instagram, YouTube. Really, there's endless different ways that you can do it. But that's a simple strategy anyone can use to start generating income, okay? Now, the last thing I want to share before you go to that link below, and if you've already opened in a tab, you're completely fine and you started checking that out. But once you do, you're going to see a page that looks something like this, okay? Now, on this page, I'm going to break down all the incredible bonuses that you're going to be able to get access to when you partner with me. There's a few other people that are really crushing it with this business, but I guarantee you're not going to be able to get the amount of bonuses and different strategies that I'm personally sharing. Some people, they just focus on YouTube. Some people, they just focus on Facebook. Well, I've kind of mastered, if you will, and very humbly, how to do Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Okay, these are all free strategies, and you're going to learn all these different ways to do it. Okay, now these bonuses, even including an automated funnel that you can use with Easy OneUp that has all the capture pages, follow-up emails, different income streams. You can even get access to that. It's valued at over $4,000. Okay, but again, you're going to be able to get all these bonuses for free just when you upgrade at the Vertex Elite level or higher, which is what you want to do anyway. If you've watched this far in the video, chances are you're eagerly paying close attention, you're feeling yourself getting excited, you're feeling yourself getting motivated to really take action and change your life. So go to the link below if you're interested. Okay, I only want serious people that are ready to run, people that are ready to make fast commissions depositing into your bank account. If you can see your bank account increasing and you feel excited about taking action now, go to the link below and get started. Follow this simple step, okay? Get started with Easy ONEUP. And then even right here, I share how to get the bonuses, okay? So go ahead, check out the testimonials. We have people all over the world doing this. Check this out, make these instant commissions. Again, you can try to go out there, try to do other things, but you're not gonna find something as easy and simple as this business. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment below, like the video if you got value, and again, I will see you over on my website in about a second or so. Take care.